Okay, now we're about to do pattern making for our main project, which is the circular skirt. So you would have notes here in the book that I have emailed to you, but I'm also going to use my own notes for you to follow through with the story. So what we had said is that a circular skirt is made of a circular pattern, or the pattern is actually a circle. So if you look into my notes here, you'll realize that I drew a full circle because this full circle is meant to be your waistline. So as the circle goes all around, this needs to be your waistline. So what I have done in this example is that I have given myself a waist of 80 centimeters. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just demonstrate how to measure your waist again. And as I was saying, it is not compulsory to always use your thin waist as the main waist. You can always use your lower waist. So I'm gonna start off by demonstrating how to measure your thin waist. Remember, we agreed that the thin waist is at this part where high-waisted jeans or crop tops would sit. So that way you want to take your tape, go wear it from the back to the front. So don't make it too tight and not too loose. It must just be comfortable, especially when you breathe out. So you should exhale so that you can get a proper fit. So this is where your waist measurement would be for the thin waist. So whatever number you get, you're gonna go and write it down on paper. And then I want to show you the normal waist in case you do decide to put your skirt much lower than the thin waist. And then next up, I'm gonna show you where the normal waist would be and how to measure it so that you can decide if you're going to be using your thin waist or your normal waist. So a few times I get asked, which place is the recommended area? In my opinion, and in regards to a circular skirt, it's always better if you put it on the high waist, because anything that sits lower makes your lower part of your body looks much smaller and then exaggerating your upper body. So normal waist, we're gonna go lower. Let's pull my jacket straight. That's where most jeans actually sit. So again, you're gonna go where you tape from the back to the front. So formal pants, jeans, anything that's not on the high waist sits about there. So remember, this is up to you to decide where you want your skirt to be sitting. So when you're happy and comfortable, you're gonna write me your measurement on the brown. Cool. So now we're gonna go and put our respective measurements down